Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about letter B and its sound B. We will also learn the words that begin with B. We will learn the correct formation of B. So let's begin the class. This is the small b and its sound is B.
Letter B, letter B, 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 B. Butterflies and bicycles and buckets and bats, bumblebees and basketballs and bears, bubblegum and blue balloons and berries and bugs, banjos and bananas and boats, banjos and bananas and boats.
B ball, B bat, B balloon, B basket, B bird. Now let's see how we can write B.
B. Down, 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 up to the middle and out and around the ball. B. Ball. B. Down, 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 then up to the middle and around the ball. B. Bat. B. Down, 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 then up to the middle and around. B. Banana. B. Down, 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 then up to the middle and out and around. B.
This is the capital B. This is your day 1 task. You need to practice writing B as many times as you can on your green board. You can also make red and black lines with a tape or a permanent marker on your green board as shown in the picture. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. On page 3, you need to trace letter B, the small letter B, and you need to color the pictures. And on page 4, you need to trace, write and color B. This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your notebook. On the first page, you need to write B as many times as you can with different pencil colors. And you can make any picture that starts with B. And on second page, you need to write B with a pencil. So best of luck. Let's see what have we learned today. We have learned about the capital B and the small b, and its sound is B. We have also learned about the words that begin with B sound, like B ball, B banana, B bat, B balloon, B. What else, kids? B bird. Very good. And we have also learned how to write B.
A, B, C, D.